it really allows me to mitigate my risk, where I hold on to the gains that I've made during the good times and I'm sitting in cash during the more challenging times. For me, having a black and white system and following a system where I'm not thinking about it, I'm not guessing, I'm not going on gut feel or emotion or how I feel when I get up this morning or tomorrow morning, because that changes. Whereas your system is a trend following system. So when the market is trending, I'm in, and that's trending up obviously. When the market starts to trend down, it will give me a sell signal. I'm not in the market like earlier on in the year when the market crashed through the end of February and through March. I was in cash. So I missed that whole crash downturn in the market. So that certainly allows me to mitigate that downside that most long-term share investors will experience when you go through challenging times like we've gone through over the last 6 months.